Hello students, today we will discuss about compare and contrast the characters and Napoleon and Snowball. ओके आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नेपोलियन स्नोबॉल के कैरेक्टर्स में कंपेयर करना. नेपोलियन एंड स्नोबॉल आर two very important characters in the novel Animal Farm. They play a very important role in the novel we come to know in the first chapter of novel about Napoleon and Snowball. They are introduced in some details to chapter extent. It is made clear that animals had no intentions of revolting at this time. The pigs arranged meetings and formulated and spread the principles of animalism. The revolt is started under the banner of two leaders, Napoleon and Snowball, where Napoleon is famous for his outwits and Snowball is famous by his sheer brute force. नेपोलियन और स्नोबॉल दोनों ही लीडर होते हैं एनिमल फार्म के, जो कि एनिमल फार्म जॉर्ज ऑरवेल ने लिखा है. एनिमल फार्म में नेपोलियन को लेनिन का सिंबल माना गया है और स्नोबॉल को कार्ल मार्क्स का सिंबल माना गया है. दोनों ही अच्छे लीडर्स होते हैं जो कि मिस्टर एनिमल फार्म को छुड़ाने के लिए मिस्टर जॉन्स से वो स्ट्रगल करते हैं. ओके, बाद में नेपोलियन खुद ही उस पर बैठ जाता है और अपना सबका लीडर बन जाता है. यहाँ पर इसका कंपैरिजन देखेंगे. बोथ आर इंस्पायर्ड द स्पीच ऑफ मेजर. द स्पीच ऑफ ओल्ड मेजर इज मोस्ट नोटेबल. ही कॉल्स दैम कॉमर्स एंड immediately puts them on their level and does not claim any title or assume any pose. Old Major combination of Marx and Lenin, the two great leaders of the communist movement. Marx saw a strange dream which he conveyed to the world. Thus both dream which he conveyed to the world. Both boats, Napoleon and Snowball, united to defeat Mr. Jones. मिस्टर जॉन्स जो कि एनिमल फार्म के मालिक होते हैं, ये टू लीडर हैं. नेपोलियन और स्नोबॉल को टू ग्रेट क्या कहते हैं लीडर्स बताया गया है यहाँ पर. सेकेंड, बोथ रिप्रेजेंट लीडरशिप and their power. Napoleon represents the human desire for power. He does not play an active part in the battle of Cowshed. A rivalry for leadership exists between him and Snowball. He trains puppies into fierce-looking dogs. He is able to drive out Snowball with their assistance. On the other hand, Snowball possesses a great mastery, like Julius Caesar of Rome. Besides, he was brave himself. Those two qualities combined enabled him to come out victorious. In fact, that in the attack on Mr. Jones, person made by him in battle, he was wounded, but before brave force, his practiced brilliance and person at bravery and his firm grasp of the animal farm are set to nothing. Next है both are deceivers. बोथ आर परफेक्ट डिसीवर्स होते हैं, हाइपोक्राइट्स होते हैं, दे आर डिसऑनेस्ट एंड ट्रैकर्स, and this is clear from the episode of the milk and the whole business of windmill. Napoleon considers that comradeship and fellow feeling and common decency are good only for the masses, the lower classes. He keeps himself aloof and isolated, protected by his dogs and with the supervisory duties delegated to the rest of the pigs. On the other hand, Snowball also cheats the animal time to time. He consults Napoleon and Squealer just as matter of course, but in ideas of the old major are turned into the workable philosophy of by him only. इनका कॉन्ट्रास्ट है, बोथ स्नोबॉल और नेपोलियन आर पिग एंड आर इंटेलिजेंट, दोनों ही पिग होते हैं, दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं. बोथ ऑफ देम आर एम्बियस डिजायर्स टू बिकम लीडर्स, बट स्नोबॉल इज मोर लिवली दैन नेपोलियन हु हैज ग्रेट डेप्थ ऑफ कैरेक्टर. वी फाइंड फॉलोइंग डिफरेंसेस इन देम. First point, the difference in their temper and attitudes becomes clear after the success of revolts. The role of Napoleon in preparing the ground for revolt was not as great as Snowball. Napoleon applies his mind to the possible problems that they will be required to face in future. The most prominent among these problems is the problem of defense. It is certain that Jones will make an attack to capture the animal farm, but Snowball starts to study the book on military science. He has read Julius Caesar's campaigns. The result of this is seen when Jones make a way to recapture the farm. The animals defeat him completely under the capable stewardship of Snowball. Second point, Snowball takes interest in seeking and acting for the welfare of the animals. He had made study of books on electricity also, and he had made drawings to build the windmill on the animal farm. All this shows that Snowball represents the constructive side of the revolution. On the other hand, Napoleon is not interested in the welfare made of animals committee made by Snowball, nor is he interested in the reading and writing classes of Snowball. Third point, Snowball represents the constructive side of the revolution. Had Snowball succeeded in the world in the windmill, he would have tried his very best to implement the principles of animalism as by the old major. On other hand, Napoleon becomes the sole ruler of the farm and tries to keep the animals constantly in the state of fear. He used method of dictator to achieve his purpose. He fears everyone who challenges his authority due to his popularity. He destroys the pigs and hens who resist protest against his decision. He too tries to destroy Boxer, who appreciated everybody in animal farm. Thus, Napoleon represents the destruction side, the revolution. Last है हमारा summing up. The characters of Napoleon and Snowball are the symbol of Stalin was keenly interested in the committee who thinks the welfare of Russian under the banner of land. On the other hand, Stalin used police force to drive out from Russia. The ideal of equality has inspired political revolutions in some countries. Among many political revolutions, the French Revolution was very popular. It was started with the slogan Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. American for equal right was fought between North America and with America, where Lincoln, president, sacrificed his life for United of South America. Like this revolution took place in 1917, which was to make all citizens equals in rights and responsibilities, but at the face improvement it became more worse as French Revolution was under the dictatorship of Napoleon. American independence resulted birth of a huge industrial empire. In the same way, Russia gave to rise terror of Stalinism. The squirrel surprises the animal by walking on his hind legs. He is followed by other pigs who also walk on their hind legs. Napoleon is seen walking on his hind legs with a whip on his hand. Okay. It seems as if the world has turned upside down for them.